Hi friends, it's Becky. Happy summer. I wanted to let you know that July 20th and 21st is a Saturday and Sunday. I am offering a beginner psychic and mediumship development course into one weekend workshop. It's going to be really fun, and I'm offering it in person here in Eagle, Colorado. We will have a Zoom option, so if you are not in town, you could Zoom in for the weekend, and I'll give you a little snapshot of what we're going to be covering. So the first day on Saturday is all about the 10 steps for intuitive empowerment. So this is a great foundation for you to build your gifts with, your own intuitive relationship with your heart and soul, learning to build your confidence and your inner trust, so that we dedicate our Saturday to that. And then Sunday is going to be dedicated to our connection to our psychic and mediumship expression. And this is there to support us with understanding how it feels to be connected to each other, to our loved ones in the spirit world, and how we understand that connection within ourselves, so we can start to understand how we sense our intuitive nature. So when we have partner practices, we get that validation that what we're sensing is actually true. So when we go out into our everyday lives, we understand, oh, I could trust myself. I could trust what I'm sensing. I could trust what my heart is telling me, and live a life in a heartfelt way. Be the love and action that you truly are. I'd love to share this weekend with you. And it's going to be at Art Space in Eagle, Colorado, right in the center of downtown Eagle. There's plenty of shops and places to get coffee and sandwiches on our breaks, and a beautiful outdoor space to practice in. Would love to share this weekend with you all. Much love. Reach out if you have questions, and sign up soon, as we're going to be booking out pretty fast. Thank you so much. Have a great day.